Hey traders, it is Monday, the 22nd of January. Wow, it's nearly the end of January already. Month into January pretty much. So look, start of the week, Monday, and I'm just going to go through just to see what the top gainers are right now. Just to see the mood of the market currently pre-market. So what I like to see is over 10% with the change and over 300,000. 200,000, is like the minimum. So a lot of these ones I'm going to disregard. I will bring up, I'm going to close MGTI. The reason why I'm going to close MGTI, I mentioned it yesterday in my watch list. This was going to be sort of like a sympathy play to the bounce in Bitcoin. Didn't really happen over the weekend at all, to be honest, and it really does seem to be consolidating. I might just open up the price now and see what it's doing, because it is, most of the US is awake now and traders are doing what they do. Oh, no, it's down at 10,000. Oh, goodness me. I would have thought people, in the back of my mind, might have taken this out as a bit of a hedge position because of the government shutdown recently, and they're all concerned. And it doesn't appear to be the case, though. So I'm going to close that down. I wonder how gold's doing. Gold might be going up. I've got a position open on the Aussie dollar as a buy trade. So that's going okay. It's on a live account as well, but I took a teeny tiny position, too small. I didn't realize it was that small. So that's annoying when that happens. But at least I'm in the trade, so I'm learning. The big thing I would say, guys, is for the very beginner traders watching this, don't focus on making money straight away. I understand. I did that with Forex, and luckily I only had a $500 account, and I lost 300. I didn't lose it straight away, but I was up like 200, and then I just sort of it's very important to stick to one or two systems. Max two systems. Unless you're someone who's very capable as an individual, like if you're a fighter pilot, you could probably manage a few things at once, but most of us don't have that processing power. So stick to one or two systems to begin with, and then expand your horizons. I'm just, from my perspective, from the Forex perspective, it really helped. So I'm going to close down MGTI. KSHB is does this have pre-market? It does. Okay, so look, I'm going to close this down as well. The reason why I do this is that during market open, from like 9:29 to 9:30, if I have too many tickers open, it gets a massive lag, and sometimes it will crash. So I'm going to leave POTN open. I don't know if this has. It's looking like there's no pre-market. CT, I'm going to close down. AKS was one of the biggest percentage losers so far in pre-market. I'm going to close that down as well. There was mention of XXII as well. Look, what I will do, I'll keep that. I'll probably reopen. I'll reopen that at around 9:35 or so. I don't rush in either. I'm not about rushing in on stocks. POTN I like because it's got that really good support level at 30 cents. That's a considerable crash. Well, not a crash, but a sell-off of that 30-cent support level. So we'll see how that one goes. It's actually not really moving. Is it percentage lose? See, this is annoying. How this is. I don't understand why it's not showing me the whole thing. Look, I'll even do this, and it's like, bleh. I'll go full screen. POTN. I guess I'll just go to the price. What's not POTN? Because it's got. That's what I'm dealing with here, guys. Anyway, so alright, let's get that to minimize the whole thing. So let's go to the percentage gainers. Oh man, really? Okay. And alright, so we'll open up. What looks good? This one looks good. LTBR. LTBR. Alright, I'll get my head out of the way. What I do here, this is deviating a little bit from the watch list I put together last night, but things can change based on what happens on the Monday. Okay. Key paid for its innovative. Can we? Oh, there's more. Innovative something. What do these guys do? Business services. Business services. Interesting. Based out of is VA Virginia? Pardon me if it's incorrect. Lightbridge Corporation is a US-based nuclear fuel technology company. Okay, the business activity of the firm is functioned through nuclear fuel technology and nuclear energy consulting segments. Nuclear fuel technology segment. Let's have a look at this news here. It might open. Anyway, this is interesting. It's up, 30-odd%. See what the news says. Will it load? Maybe. This was down. Okay. Okay. So closing conditions. The company will issue 2.667 million shares of newly created non-voting Series B convertible preferred stock. Associated warrants for $4 million, $1.50 per share. Okay, so interesting. I'm going to close that down. We'll see. I mean, it's up a little bit. There's interest, but I still like POTN. I'm going to watch this. It's just a bit dormant right now. Sorry, I skimmed through that news. I'll go through it a bit later. I don't want to, waste that in the actual video. Where did the biggest percentage gains go? No, it's not even there. I like the run-up. Look, I'm just going to go over this now. So let's see the last month. Not on the minute, though. Daily. Well, I mean, you could probably say in the 120s as support. So let's go to the yearly. How's the yearly looking? Wow, $1 is very firm support. $1.20 is as well, though. So I guess I'll wait and see on this one. And then there is news out today as well. So very interesting. And that 7:30 it came out on the US paid for its innovative. Anyway, we won't dwell on that. Go back to the 2-day. Where is it hiding? Or have I hit it somewhere? Oh, there it is. No, I don't want that. Where is my gainer chart? Where is my gainer chart? I'm going to have to work this out. I will work it out later, though, because it's sort of being very difficult right now. But look, LTBR, I like the run-up. We'll watch market open. We'll see what it does. And POTN, really, I like POTN. It's not moving right now. It might not have pre-market stuff, potentially. We'll see. But this one I'll watch. It's also in the hot sector. It's not like red hot like blockchain, Bitcoin have been. Again, guys, these are subject to change. But POTN, LTBR moving pre-market. We'll see. Or it could be breakout at $2. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.